In this video, you'll learn how to void a specific quote in Blixo in just a few simple steps. Please note that quotes with the following statuses can be void: draft, open, approved, invoiced, declined, and expired. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Quotes section. For this demonstration, I'll use a quote from the Open section as an example. Click on the quote ID of the quote you want to void. This will bring you to the Quote Details page. From the Quote Details page, click the More button and select Void Quote. A confirmation box will appear. If you want to cancel the process, simply click Cancel or close the box. To void the quote, click the OK button. Once the quote is voided, its status will change to voided. Let's check it out. Success. The quote has been voided, and its status is now voided. Voila! You've successfully voided a specific quote in just a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.